Hey there, it's Sharon with a request from a super fan to do a guitar lesson on an Elvis song called All Shook Up, and that's coming up. Hello and welcome to the channel, Your Guitar Guide, where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. If this is your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. This song is in the key of A, and there's 3 chords. It's played in a 1-4-5, which are the degree of the chords in the scale. If you want to know what chords are being played or the key that you're supposed to be playing in, or how to find your way around the fretboard, then you need to check out my latest course on Music Theory 101 and check the link in the description for that. Now without further ado, let me show you how to play this song. Alright, so like I was saying, this song's a 1-4-5, and notice how I have a capo on the 1st fret. So we're going to be playing the chords A, D, and E. But the thing about it is, we're playing those chords, setting your hands up to play them, but they're not actually, that A is not an A because we've got the capo on the 1st fret. So, but I'm just gonna say it like that so that it makes it easier. And if you listen to All Shook Up, you'll notice there's a prominent bass line there, and we're not going to worry about that. I'm just going to show a guitar lesson on how to strum for All Shook Up. And thank you for requesting this song. So we start in A, which is the 1 chord. 10 bars of A. I like to use a finger to, I'm all shook up, and then it's 2 A's, D, E, back to A. When it goes back to A, you're playing 2 measures of A, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is a measure, you're doing that twice. So after you get the beat, you're going 2 A's, D for 1 measure, E for 1 measure, and back to A. And then the whole thing repeats. And after that, it's D for 2 measures, and then back to A for 2 measures of A, and back to D for 2 measures, and then E. And then we've got an outro. So the A is 1, then we got a 4, which is a D, and then the E is the 5 chord. Before I show you the outro, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. If you like this kind of lesson, can you go down there and click that like button? Let YouTube promote the video. So on the outro, it's D, E, that's it. Don't forget to watch that video next. Thanks.